ManageEngine PAM360 Cybersecurity Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people underestimate how dangerous unmanaged admin access can be, but here's the surprising truth. One compromised admin account can shut down an entire organization. ManageEngine PAM360 is a privileged access management platform that controls, monitors, and secures high-level system access. Here's what most people get wrong. They think passwords alone are enough. PAM360 adds layers of security to protect sensitive systems. It allows businesses to store credentials securely, limit access, monitor sessions, and audit activities. The surprising truth is that PAM360 can prevent internal misuse and external hacking at the same time. PAM360 is best for IT teams, data centers, and companies with sensitive infrastructure. If your organization values data security, PAM360 is a powerful protection tool. Subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity software reviews.